Hello and welcome back.
Shut it, Daddy! I have an idea.
Okay, what are we going to do today, Rainn?
The same thing we do every day, Daddy. Trying to cover the world.
So what do you have in mind?
I've got a really cool new app.
What is it?
Just Rainn.
Is it self-obsessive?
No, Daddy, it's an app. Rainn with one N, not two.
Alright, it's all yours.
Wait till you see this.
Hello and welcome.
Hello and welcome back to Something Mobile. My name is Rainn. I am back by popular demand. Wait till you see this. Go to the App Store and type in Just Rainn. Tap on Just Rainn and then tap Install. Once it's finished downloading, tap Open. It's raining, it's pouring. Daddy's hacks are boring.
Right.
You want to see me play God? Watch how I control the rain. You can touch the screen to manipulate the direction and intensity of the rain. You tap the bottom left corner, you get this little menu with all these cool options. You can mute the sound, you can display the time, you also get Wonder Mode. This will allow the rain to change direction and intensity all by itself. You can also choose Auto Dim. This will automatically dim the screen after 5 minutes of inactivity. This is my favourite one. You can actually add Scary Thunder. You can also choose Sleep Timer. This will shut the application after 1 hour. And last but not least, you can also choose Monochrome. This is a really fun app to mess around with, or to just close your eyes and relax. You're welcome. Daddy, wake up! That's a coin on your head.
Does it work?
Yeah.
The thing.
Yeah.
Next time, Simply Mobile. Subscribe, like.
Yeah.
I'm going to bed.